अस्सलामुअलैकुम। मैं आज आपको 10 फ्रूट्स नेम विद हेल्थ बेनिफिट्स फॉर किड्स बताऊंगी। What is an apple? An apple is a sweet, juicy, and crunchy fruit. Apple can be red, green, or yellow. They are one of the most popular fruits eaten by children around the world. Nutrients in apple. Apples contain fiber, vitamin C, potassium, natural carbon, carbohydrates, net, antioxidant, plant compounds, health benefits for kids, support digestion, fiber help keep the digestive system healthy, and supports regular bowel movements, provides energy. Natural carbohydrate provide energy for playing, studying, and other activities. Supports immunity. Vitamin C contributes to normal immune function. Supports heart health. Apples can be part of a health diet that supports cardiovascular health. Helps helps healthy eating. Apples are naturally sweet and can be a healthier snack choice than my highly processed foods. Now it's time to learn what is a banana. A banana is a soft and sweet fruit. It is easy to eat and is a great snack for kids. What is in a banana? Potassium, vitamin B6, fiber, vitamin C, natural energy. Why are bananas good for kids? Gives energy, helps us play and learn. Helps muscles. Potassium helps our muscles work well. Helps our body. Vitamin B6 helps our body use food. Helps our tummy. Fiber helps digestion. Now it's time to learn what is an orange. An orange is a juicy and sweet fruit. It has orange colored skin and grows on trees. What is in an orange? Vitamin C, fiber, water, potassium. Why are oranges good for kids? Keeps us healthy. Vitamin C helps our body, helps digestion. Fiber helps our tummy, helps hydration. Oranges have lots of water, help our body. They provide important vitamins and minerals. Now it's time to learn what is a mango. A mango is a sweet, soft, and juicy fruit. It is often called the king of fruits. What is in a mango? Vitamin A, vitamin C, fiber, natural energy. Why are mangoes good for kids? Helps our eyes. Vitamin A supports healthy vision. Helps our body. Vitamin C supports our immune system. Helps our tummy. Fiber helps digestion. Give energy. Mango gives us natural energy. Now it's time to learn what is a strawberry. A strawberry is a small, red, juicy, and sweet fruit. It has tiny seeds on its outside. What is in a strawberry? Vitamin C, fiber, water, healthy plant nutrients. Why are strawberries good for kids? Helps our body. Vitamin C helps keep us healthy. Helps digestion. Fiber helps our tummy. Helps hydration. Strawberries contain lots of water. Helps protect ourselves. They have healthy plant nutrients. Now it's time to learn what is a watermelon. Watermelon is a big, sweet, and juicy fruit. It is especially tasty on hot days. What is in watermelon? Lots of water, vitamin C, vitamin A, lycopene. What is watermelon good for kids? Keeps us hydrated. It has lots of water, helps our body. It contains vitamin C, helps our eyes. It provides vitamin A. Has healthy nutrients. Lycopene is a helpful plant. Now it's time to learn what are grapes. So answer is grapes are small, sweet and juicy fruits. They can be green, red or purple. What is in grapes? Water. nature energy, fiber, vitamins, and plant nutrients. Why are grapes good for kids? Give energy, they provide natural energy. Help hydration. Grapes contain lots of water. Help digestion. Whole grapes contain fiber. Have health nutrients. Grapes contain helpful plant compounds. Now the topic is, what is a pineapple? Pineapple is a sweet, juicy, and slightly sour tropical fruit. What is in a pineapple? So answer is vitamin C, fiber, water, and manganese. Why is pineapple good for kids? Helps our body, vitamin C supports our immune system, helps our tummy, fiber helps digestion, provides water, pineapples help add foods to our diet, provide nutrient, it contains important vitamins and minerals. So next topic is, what is a pomegranate? A pomegranate is a round fruit with red, juicy seeds inside. The seeds are called arils. What is in pomegranate? Fiber, vitamin C, vitamin K, healthy plant nutrients. Why is pomegranate good for kids? So the answer is help digestion. Its seeds contain fiber, helps our body. It provides vitamin C, has healthy nutrients. It contains helpful plant compounds, provides vitamins. It gives our body useful nutrients. Now, finally, last topic is, what is a kiwi? A kiwi is a small, soft, and juicy fruit. It has brown skin and bright green flesh inside. What is in a kiwi? Vitamin C, fiber, vitamin K, water, healthy plant nutrients. Why is kiwi good for kids? Now answer is, helps our body. Kiwi has lots of vitamin C, helps our tummy, fiber, supports digestion, helps our bones. Vitamin K helps keep bones healthy, provides water. Kiwi helps add fluids to our diet. Thank you everyone for watching my content.